Hello, my name is Vanachai Thongleu. ID number 132. Today I will to eat spicy salad with fried egg. Ingredients: egg, soft carrot, sliced peas and lentil rice, cast onion, sliced lentil rice, cast tomato, raw fish, sliced spring onion, raw fish powdered, bird's eye, chili and garlic, sugar, fish sauce, lime juice, PS and gathered the with sufficient amount of vegetable oil. And exit fry one egg the time when the oil is lazy or until golden brown in both sides. To make spicy salad, dressing mix together very well for better combination. Bird eye, chili and garlic, coffee powdered together, sugar, fish sauce and lime juice. Set and side for few minutes. In the mixing balls, add sliced onion, sliced tomato, soft carrot and parsley. Spicy salad, jelly, combo, post over dip, fried egg, and sprinkle soft with sliced spring onion. Ready to serve.